ihsas of the masakeen. If you will not feel hungry, how would you sympathize the masakeen, the poor people, those who are less fortunate? When we go through the pangs of hunger and thirst, that's when you will think about them. And one of the purpose in the month of Ramadan for being hungry is to think about the Day of Judgment. When our bellies are always full of food, then we will never be able to think about the thirst and the hunger of the Day of Judgment. Ramadan reminds you of the hunger and thirst of Qiyamah. Because for 50,000 years of this world, that will be one day on the Day of Judgment, because the sun will be so close to you and you will be drowning in your own sweat. You will be so thirsty, so hungry. How do you remember that? Ramadan trains you and reminds you of the hunger and thirst of the Day of Judgment. And it's also to think about the poor people, to think about the less fortunate people, to constantly remember them. Ihsas of masakeen, ihsas of the poor people, feeling the pain of the poor people, and then doing something about it. What do you do about it? Give sadaqah in the path of Allah Jalla wa Ala. Give sadaqah in the path of Allah Jalla wa Ala. That is what you do for them. That is the ihsas. And also during that, before iftar, don't start eating straight away. Stop for a bit and think, if this food wasn't there, then how would I live without it? Then say, Ya Allah, I thank you. Thank Allah. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. So without thanking, do not eat. That's how I train our children here in the madrasa and all our students. Allah wa aka tera shukr. Allah wa aka tera shukr. Before they eat, Allah aka tera shukr. Allah aka tera shukr. We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Ya Rasulullah. And just think about the poor people before you eat. Sayyidina Bishr Hafi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu's beautiful waqi, I've just remembered again now. Once a person saw him in winter. Sayyidina Bishr Hafi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, a person saw him and he was only wearing a very thin kind of tehmad, and he was shivering, trembling in the winter. And the person said, is this the time to wear these kind of clothes, O Bishr Hafi? Is this the time? It's winter and you've got clothes, why aren't you wearing them? He said, this is my way of showing solidarity to the poor people in the world. This is my way of feeling the pain. I do not have enough money to give to them, but at least I can feel the pain. That was the mentality. So this is what Ramadan does to us. We feel hungry, we feel the hunger of the poor people, and let us do something about it.